If you want to link your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE to Windows, what you need to do is go to Settings. Now over here, we're gonna go to Connected Devices, and then you should be able to find Link to Windows. We're gonna actually tap on this option itself in order to set it up. So let's wait a couple of seconds to see the options. And the best way to actually connect with your Windows PC or laptop is by scanning the QR code from your PC. So go to your PC and open PhoneLink. This is an app that is available, that is pre-installed on your Windows. And once you open it, you can choose which device you want to connect. So in our case, it is of course Android. And then we will generate the QR code. So we want to enable the QR code scanner over here, grant the permission, and then just scan the QR code. After that, you want to press continue, and you will need to enter a code that will be displayed on your computer. So let me quickly enter the code. There we go. And let's proceed. And then once you sign into your Microsoft account, then you will need to allow Link to Windows to get and see messages and make phone calls and access contacts and so on and so forth. So grant all these permissions. And once you see this screen, all files access is on, then you want to press continue and then done. And that should be it. On your computer, you should be able to see this, that you are all set. So just press continue. And shortly after that, you will open this welcome message. You can open PhoneLink whenever you open Windows. If you want to, and let's just press get started. And there we go. We have access to pretty much everything that we have on our Z Flip 7. We have our photos, you can find messages, you should be able to access apps as well, and so on and so forth. You can also set up notifications over here, so you can press open settings on mobile device and follow the rest of the instructions in order to finish setting everything up. Here you can find some additional options like do not disturb. We have screen mirroring, I guess. We can open the phone screen on our computer, and so on and so forth. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.